Model, 2007 Nissan Cabstar 2.5 dCi single cab flatbed tipper 34110 HP short wheelbase, ready to drive. Body, blue, flatbed. Mileage, 158,448. Engine, 2488 cc YD 110 bhp. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well in all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.